What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, we trying to see if people got the drip or if they don't got the drip. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you turn that post notification on. You know what I'm saying? So look, we gonna go to Boca Mall. We gonna interview a few people, see what they got on, ask them how much it costs, and see if they dripped out. You know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, stay tuned, watch to the end. Subscribe. It's your boy White Pree, and we out. Oh yeah, road to 1K. Hit that subscribe button. Go. Alright, it's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with.
What's up? It's Mike.
What's your name?
K.
Chinyan.
Chinyan. Okay, alright man, I see you fresh, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, my boy clean out here, you know what I'm saying? So, how much for the jacket? Let me...
Oh, this was a gift, so
It was a gift?
free.
Free? Alright, how much for the shirt?
Free.
Free? Damn, you got everything for free?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Damn.
Christmas,
Alright, so how much for the shoes? What kind of shoes them is?
Wait a minute.
Y'all know I gotta get him. My boy got on the walk with me, Lord. Yeah, walk with me. He don't even care about it. I said, walk with me, Lord. Walk with me while I'm on this. Oh my God.
I think he's like, I don't even know. I think like maybe like Cole Hans, like
Cole Haan?
like 200.
200? Alright, how much for the pants? That was free too?
Yeah, free. So.
Damn. Alright, so what you doing in the mall? You working in the mall or you just...
Yeah, I work.
You could tell me where you work at? Or?
I don't know. I can't do that right now.
Nah, you can't do that. Alright, but this your attire every day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I see the earrings. Alright, so
$5.
Oh man, is this?
$5.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
alright, bro, you dripped out though. You clean though. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Fuck with you. Alright, it's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Chinyan. Alright, bro. So today we gonna see how much it fit. Cause I see you got the Polo Scully on.
Yeah.
Hold on, is that USPA?
Nah, hell no.
Nah,
you gotta be fucked up. Hell no.
How much that is?
It's I think it was like 30, maybe 40.
30?
Yeah.
Alright.
probably.
This angle light though. This jacket kind of fire. I fuck with the pins. You did this yourself?
Yeah. It's still a work in progress. It's
Still a work in
progress.
progress. Oh, so you ain't finished?
Nah.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I ain't gonna
Yeah.
lie. So how much you?
4 B's.
4 bands?
4 B's. $400.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
4 B's. $400.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
How much you?
4 B's.
4 bands?
4 B's. $400.
It's 400. You had me right there, my boy. Ain't gonna lie though. All right. So let's see what else. How much for these pants?
It's 200.
200.
Yeah.
All right. So we
stars. Easy.
So what we at? We at like 630.
Facts.
630. What kind of watch is this? A G-Shock?
This is a Casio, $20.
Nah, I know about the Casio.
And I actually am getting a watch fixed right now. The watch is, to me, it's priceless, but it's 300.
It's 300?
It's 14 karat gold, Belova.
All right. And the shoes, we know the shoes.
Vans.
The Vans.
70.
$70 for the Vans. All right, so my boy dreaded out today, you know what I'm saying?
Ring bracelet.
Oh, ring bracelet. How much?
This bracelet is 14 karat gold. It is real gold. I think like 3 B's.
3 bands and the ring?
No, 100. 300.
Yeah, my bad.
3 B's.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And then the ring, 300 too.
All right, so you bought a band and some change right now?
Yeah, like,
All right,
like
so
1,500.
1,500.
2 bands.
Hold on, you going too far now. You going too far, my boy. You know what I'm saying? All right, man, we out. We out. He capping now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
All right, it's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with.
What's up? It's Mike.
All right, Mike. So I see you looking fresh today, my boy. My boy had pointed out the Travis Scotts on your feet.
Yeah, I've had the Travis Scotts for a little bit now. I got them about a year ago.
A year ago when they first dropped?
Yeah. I got them when they dropped. I dropped a little stack on them.
They still clean. How many times you wore them?
Bro, I rock them all the time, to be real with you. All the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much they cost?
I don't know what they cost regularly, but I paid $1,000 for them.
You paid $1,000 for them?
$1,000 flat for them.
All right. So you got them like on a
Yeah. I didn't get
shit.
them retail. I got them from someone else. I bought them at a store called Daily Miami.
Daily Miami?
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure y'all go check out Daily Miami. They got that drip.
Daily
you know what I
MIA.
mean? Right.
They got the heat.
So how much for the Nike camo pants?
These are like $120.
I almost thought it was bait.
Nah, they look it, right?
Yeah, I almost thought it was bait.
Yeah, no, they look at that. These are $120.
120.
Yeah.
All right. And I see this MVP shirt. I
Yeah.
fought with the MVP. I got a little MVP going on too.
Yeah, I feel you. This is actually my boy's company. He started it. It's he owns a barbershop, and he made the shirts, and we just rock them all the time now.
Okay, so he's supporting his dog. That's love right there.
In two ways. The Luker hat.
Oh, the hat too?
Yeah, this is my boy's.
So how much the hats to go for?
Honestly, this hat was $50, and this hat was $50. I got it from Luker. It's my boy's shop in Pompano. It's a good spot. And then we could go to some jewelry.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on. I ain't see him.
Yeah, I got the Rollie on.
You ain't gonna lie. You lucky I don't got a diamond tested.
Nah, I wish you did, dog. I wish you had it.
Lucky I don't got the.
I would sport it. Got the
So
chrome.
how much you dropped on that though?
On this?
Yeah.
We talking 11.
11 on that.
Yeah, 11 on this, 4 on this.
4 on that.
And then we go down to the Chrome Hearts ring. So the Chrome Hearts ring was $250.
My dog cashed out right now.
So that, and then just the necklace.
The necklace, right.
This is back in the day. I've had this since I was a jit.
Okay, so that was like a gift or something, or?
Nah, it was kind of from my father. My father got one. He got the bigger one,
okay.
and he got me the smaller one when I was a little jit.
Yeah,
and I
so
just
that
never
means a
took.
lot to you.
Exactly,
I
I
feel
never took it off my
I ain't
neck.
gonna lie though, tattoos going crazy.
Oh, yeah,
How
I got
much you think you spend on like getting your tattoos?
Tattoos?
So I see you got a lot. I see you got the little bird behind you.
Yeah, I'm covered. I'm full.
Yeah, full body.
Yeah, I got a little spot here, but I'm full everywhere else. You're looking like in the 4 range, which is actually a hookup. My boy, another one of my homeboys owns Formula Inc. down in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to go, he tats them up. He's
Make sure y'all tap in.
great.
Look at this.
Great.
Detail. I'm
Good
talking
work.
about detail.
Great work.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. You dripped out. You cashed out, man. I appreciate you.
you, dog.
You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate the love.
You too.